Being a teacher sometimes can be a tough gig. You want to create lessons that are engaging but impactful, activities that are fun but also correlate to your standards. I know when I was a teacher, if something was efficient and effective for student learning, it was a win-win. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the EZ Track. It's versatile, speedy to set up, and has a plethora of academic connections. The beauty of the track is its setup, hence the name EZ Track. It comes with 21-meter long pieces that easily slide together like so. It sits slightly elevated above the ground and can be set up in 1 or 2 lanes. And because it's customizable in length, it can be done in your classroom on your time frame. No more juggling gym schedules or trying to find a room large enough for your track. It can be done indoors or outdoors. And you will always have a consistent racing surface. All right, this looks great. Why don't you guys come on over and we'll do some racing. Because the track is so versatile, it can use an assortment of racing vehicles, which means that you can incorporate in a variety of topics such as speed, velocity, distance, measurement, data analysis, Newton's laws, aerodynamics. Plus, you can incorporate and work on those 21st century work skills that we know are so important both outside the classroom and in. All right, let's race. Okay, I want you to head back to your seats and start thinking about the data that you've gathered and what modifications you want to make. Racing activities can build that friendly competition with the students, which makes it even more engaging. Students also have the opportunity to experiment and make those real-world connections to the things that they're learning inside the classroom. Plus, when race day is finished, the EZ Track is stackable and you can store it easily. Bottom line, the EZ Track helps students and teachers race for success.